Welcome back. In the modern world, a business should introduce a set of promotional programs to attract customers and popularize their business ventures. So, promotion programs and coupon programs are simplest business promotion strategies that is used to attract a large array of customers. So, what is the best platform to manage these coupons and promotion programs? So, let's open our sales module and go to configuration settings. Okay, so you can see coupons and promotions under pricing section. So this is shown under pricing because using coupons and promotion program, we can reduce the price, that is by giving discounts to customers. Okay, so you can configure them directly from the settings. You can see promotion programs and coupon programs. Or when you enable this and save the settings, you can see menus under products, that is promotion programs and coupon programs. Okay, now let's open promotion program. Okay, so here we can see already created promotions and their status. You can see these two promotion programs are active. So using these programs, we can give discounts to customers, then free products. Okay, so let's create a new one. Yeah, I'm creating a promotion program. Buy two office chair. Okay, get one LED lamp free. Okay, now here we can add conditions. So that is, we can set conditions based on some parameters. That is based on customers, based on products, based on purchase quantity. So here we can see the matching records. You can see all customers. So all customers can use this promotion program. And we can also apply this on particular product. So here we can edit the domain. Okay, so here can search for product. Contain chair. So you can see we have 5 records. Okay, so here you can find office chair. Okay, I'm giving equal to office chair. Okay, contain office chair. Now when you save it, you can see 2 records. We have office chair black and office chair. Okay, so we are going to apply this promotion program on these products. Then here we have to specify the quantity. So when a customer purchase minimum one quantity, then only this promotion program is applied. Okay, I'm setting quantity as 2 because when you buy 2 office chair, only an LED lamp can be given for free. Now we can also set a minimum purchase amount here. Then we can set promo code usage. Either we can automatically apply this program or using a code. So I'm let me add a code here. Then here we can set the validity of this promotion program. We can make this promotion program to be valid on a particular website. That is, we can restrict to a website and restrict publishing on a website, and we can apply this promotion program on, that is, limit this promotion program. So we can set a maximum number of sale orders in which the reward can be provided. Okay, so I'm setting it as 0. I want to use it, that is this can be used infinitely. Then here we can set a validity period for this promotion program by providing the start date and end date. Okay, then we can see the reward settings. That is, this includes applicability of this promotion program. That is, the rewards can be applied in different ways. Either apply on the current order or you send a coupon. So apply on current order will help the customer to avail the benefit of reward in the current purchase itself. And when you are choosing the second option, that is send a coupon, then a coupon will be generated and this coupon can be availed during the next purchase. Okay, so I'm choosing apply on current order. Then I can see reward. Either you can give reward as discount of free product. So when you're choosing discount, you have to set the discount percentage. Okay, here you can set the discount percentage, or we can provide discount as fixed amount, and we can also set this discount. That is, we can apply this discount on order or cheapest product or on specific products, and we can also set a maximum discount amount. Okay, so if you want to apply discount, we can choose that. And here we can also see two other options. That is, we can give free products to customers or give free delivery charge. So right now, let me add free product and choose a product that you are going to give to customer. So I'm adding the product LED lamp, one quantity. Okay, now we can save the promotion program. So let's copy this code because user have to enter this promo code to avail of the reward. Okay, now let's save this promotion program. Okay, then let's create sale order. Okay, let's see how this promotion program works on sale orders. So, okay, let's add the customer, then add a product. So right now I'm adding my product office chair. And so a customer purchases 2 quantity of office chair. So according to promotion program, if a customer purchases 2 quantity of promotion program, he will be given a LED lamp for free. So after adding this product, we also have to add the free product. So I'm adding LED lamp, 1 quantity. Okay, so here we can see the price of this LED lamp. Now let's click on this coupon and paste the promotion code. So here we have to enter the promotional coupon code. So then click on apply. So when you click on apply, you can see the price of LED lamp is reduced from the order line. So we can see an additional line added, that is free product LED lamp, as we are giving this LED lamp for free to the customer. Okay, so you can see the amount is reduced. Now we can confirm the sale order and deliver the product. So here you can see the products, office chair, 2 quantities, and LED lamp, 1 quantity. So this is how we create promotion programs. And in the same way, we can create coupon programs. So we can generate limited coupons and customers can use that coupons to get discounts, that is rewards or discounts. Okay, so here we can see one already created coupon program that is giving 10% discount to customers. And here we already have one coupon generated, which is valid this means that customer can use this code. And if a customer already used a code, then the state will be changed to invalid. Okay, let's generate some coupon. So we can choose generation type either by number of coupons or selected customers. That is, we can limit coupons to some customers or by count of coupons. So I am limiting to 5 coupons. So if you click on generate, then 5 coupons will be generated. So now we have total 6 coupons. Okay, here we can see the details of the coupon program, including the conditions. So based on products, so all products, and you can set a minimum purchase. So I'm setting minimum purchase of 200. Okay. Then here you can see the reward is given by, that is discount, 10% discount to customers. Okay, and we can also set a maximum discount amount. Okay, 1000. Now can save this. Okay, so here we have a coupon. Let's copy this. Now let's create a sale order. Add a product. Okay, now click on this coupon and paste the coupon code. Then click on apply. Okay, so below you can see a line is added to give 10% of discount on the total amount. So here we can see the 10% of this unit of this subtotal is negative is 295. So it is reduced from the total amount, and you can see the total here. So now we can confirm this and make the payment. Now, when you go to coupon programs, here you can see this coupon is used by a customer. Now we only have 5 coupons remaining. So coupons and promotion programs is a nice marketing strategy, as customers are always interested in purchasing goods when they get the product at a reduced rate. So that's all in this video, and thanks for watching.